Hi everyone, I'm Troy Raujo and this video is my review for the Fitbit Charge 5. I bought the Charge 5 in August and I've been using it for more than a month now and would like to share my thoughts on the Charge 5. Let me start off with the screen display. The Charge 5 comes with an AMOLED color display which is really smooth when compared to the Charge 4. Charge 5 also has an always on mode which you can switch on if you like. You can also sync your smartwatch with the Fitbit app to change the clock face. Another major improvement for the Charge 5 is the charging cable. I remember when I used to use the Charge 4, it used to be difficult to connect the charger onto the Charge 4. But the Charge 5 actually has a magnetic cable which will auto connect. One of the best things I like about the Charge 5 is the battery life. If you do not use GPS and always on mode, the Charge 5 battery can last up to 8 days. We also have features which is similar to the Charge 4. There's built-in GPS for pace and distance, health metrics like breathing rate. You can also check your sleep score once you sync your smartwatch with the Fitbit app. Overall, I think the Charge 5 is a really good smartwatch and would definitely recommend it. You can also learn more about the features in detail on Fitbit's official website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.